Help CFTV, inscreva-se no canal, curta, compartilha, meta 1000 inscritos.
Hikvision AOV SolarVu Dual Lens PT Camera. A newly upgraded power system. Delivers over 20% higher power output than the previous generation. Just one cable is needed to easily connect to a high-capacity battery, delivering continuous and stable power. Power consumption is reduced by over 50%. Combined with AOV, a new ultra-low power technology, it works year-round with true 24/7 recording. Built-in algorithms intelligently analyze the scene. When events occur, the camera records in normal mode. Otherwise, it captures high-frequency snapshots. This ensures all-day recording with long-lasting endurance, and allows you to review footage anytime. Powered by advanced AI algorithms, it detects humans and vehicles much more accurately than PIR. With the same SD card capacity, the AOV camera records over 10 times longer, which optimizes device storage performance. Hikvision AOV SolarVu cameras. Reliable and worry-free.
Network connected.